નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Student, today we are going to start Standard 6 Social Science, Chapter 10, The Sphere of the Earth. Student, today we start our new lesson, Chapter number 10, Sphere of the Earth. In Chapter 9 also we learn about Earth, because we learned in 9th chapter about solar system. So there are 8 planets and Earth is also one of them. So today we will learn about sphere of the Earth. So let's start. Our Earth is a unique in the solar family. Why it is unique? So we will continue. Earth is the only planet which has got favorable temperature, water and life, which is the valuable gift to Earth. There is still no evidence, evidence means proof, that water and oxygen are available in the sufficient amount on the other planet. Student, for to live, we must need water and oxygen. Without water and oxygen, we can't live more. So that's why our Earth is unique in the solar system. Why? Because there is only one planet on the solar system, that Earth, and we live there peacefully. So this one solar system in the Earth. So Earth is the one planet there. Man can and animals. So all type of living things can live there. So we are living person. So we can get temperature, water and oxygen in this planet. So only one planet is that got favorable. See, this is the favorable temperature. There we can get temperature, water and life. This one is the valuable gift to the Earth. So Earth got valuable gift there. We can live there and we can get temperature, water and life on the Earth. There is still no evidence that water and oxygen are available in the sufficient amount on the other planet. In the other planet also we search that, but there is no human living. So only Earth is one planet there human living are there. Ordinarily we know that the Earth was just a fireball at the time of its origin. So it's the origin time. There was only Earth was, there was no human life. It was full of fire. As this fireball cooled down slowly, it later transformed. So our Earth was a fireball and that slowly it is become cooled down. And what happened? It later transformed into many matters respectively, like liquid and solid. So our Earth, it was fireball and slowly it become cool, and there are many matters, like it also become form of liquid and solid. In this way, the air gas around the Earth's surface came into existence. Huge ditches means drainage on this sphere were filled with water and turned into ocean. So there was before no ocean, so this one, our Earth become cool and then it also turned into the ocean. So there are also sphere were filled with water. Thus the exit from the Earth was created. And what is the meaning of matters? Matters means physical substance. So all the physical substance came down and it is also form become like a liquid and solid. So in this way, air gas means oxygen, carbohydrate, all these type of gas around the Earth and came into existence. Huge ditches means drainage on the sphere, it become to drainage means came out, and sphere also were filled with water. So it day by day also it is become the form of a ocean. Thus the exact form of the Earth was created. Sphere of the Earth. There are 4 main spheres of the Earth. First, lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. So we will learn about one by one about that. First one we will learn about Lithosphere. Upper layer of the earth surface is generally made of soil and solid matters. And what is the meaning of litho? Litho means soil. So that is why upper layer of the earth is known as lithosphere, as this layer is made up of rocks and solid matters. It is known as the rock sphere or the solid sphere. Let's learn what is the meant by lithosphere. Lithosphere means soil, and which type of soil? The upper crust of the earth is made up of soil and other solid matter. So the land area of the surface of the earth is known as the lithosphere. Now next, area and formation. Upper layer of the earth crust. Crust means solid hard layer. So upper crust. The upper layer of the earth crust is approximately 64 to 100 kilometer thick. So upper layer of the earth. So this one is very upper layer. It is about from 64 to 100 kilometer thickness. This one is very thick. Light matters are like aluminum and silica. Silica means hard colorless compound which occurs in minerals. So that one are mainly found in that. So in this is upper layer and this one is approximately 64 to 100. This is space and this one is very thick layer. So it is full of matters like aluminum and silica. This layer is thin in the deep sea. Most of this area we can see in the sea area. Lithosphere occupies about 29% of the earth surface, mountains, plateau and plains, etc. are there on this part of land. As we go into the depth means vertical distance, means standing line. Vertical means standing line distance. The lithosphere temperature increase gradually. Increase means to become more and more. So the upper layer of the earth crust is approximately 64 to 100. That one thick, and light matters like aluminum and silica are mainly found in that. The layer of the very thin part we can see in the sea area, and this lithosphere occupies 29% of the earth surface. Mountains, plateau and plains etc. are there on this part of land. As we go into the depth means vertical. Standing line, if we go to the standing line, so it will temperature is increase. So temperature will be go up and up. On moving towards the depth means standing line, vertical distance per kilometer. Generally per kilometer 30. This one is increasing 30 degrees Celsius. Temperature increasing. Internal rocks are melted due to intensive heat and turned into semi-liquid form. This molten means melted, is called magma. It consists of various gases. Here high pressure of the upper rocks is observed. So in short we can say moving towards the depth means vertical distance, this kilometer, how much it is increasing, but it is increasing about 30 degrees Celsius, temperature increasing. So this one is the rocks are become melted, like chocolate also. If you keep the chocolate outside of the fridge, so it will also start to melt. So this one is also internal rocks melted due to the intensive heat. Because of heat means garmi, so that one into semi-liquid form. So this one also becomes semi-liquid means thick liquid. This molten liquid is called, this one is known as a magma. This one known as a magma. It consists of various gases. Here high pressure of the upper rocks is observed. Thus the balance is maintained between two opposite forces like pressure and heat. One side there is a pressure, one side there is a pressure and other side it is a heat. So this is why earth is crushed, does not burst. So this is the reason, because there is a one side very high degree and it is also become to in a liquid form, semi-liquid form, and there other side is a rock, very strong. So that one balance is making between, it is maintained. Lithosphere has close relation with biosphere and vegetation. Biosphere and vegetation, vegetation means vegetarian, our home, water, farming industry and all are closely associated with lithosphere. Minerals and crude oil is obtained from lithosphere. Various crops are obtained through farming. Various industries and other economic activities are performed in the plain region. Forest on the mountainous region is inundated. Inundated means to bring into debit. In Gujarati, if we say devdar, devadar, abar means we bring this one into the debit. Debit means minus. The lithosphere. In short, it can be said that the pillar from food to dwelling. Dwelling means house, home, a person where living, being alive, present. That one is called dwelling. And base of our existence means lithosphere. If we want to say in short about lithosphere, so litho means soil, land. The upper crust of the earth is known as, upper part of the earth is known as lithosphere. It is composed of rock and other solid matters, so it is called rock sphere or solid sphere. Its second name is rock sphere or solid sphere because it is full of rock. The upper crust of the earth is 64 to 100 km thick. It consists lighter minerals like aluminium and silica. This sphere is thinner, deep in the ocean. So this layer is also very thin and it is only in the sea ocean area. There are landforms like mountains, plateau, plains and valleys, etc. Generally, the temperature increases by 30 degrees Celsius for every 1 kilometer of the depth. Depth means vertical standing line, we can say the end. Lithosphere has sound relation with biosphere and vegetation. Lithosphere also connected to our home, agriculture, water and industries, minerals, etc. So in short, we can say that lithosphere is an important following ways. Lithosphere is the home mankind and provides space of building material to man. Man gets water from the water sources on the lithosphere. Third one, men cultivate various crops like lithosphere and perform industries and various activities. Lithosphere is dwelling place of vegetation and animals. Forest, grass, plants, animals, etc. are useful in many ways. The minerals obtained from lithosphere are used in the industry and in many other development of the human civilization due to the lithosphere only. Thank you for joining us.